Hello everyone. Last class we discussed about zero polynomial. Today we discuss geometrical meaning of zeros of polynomial. It's nothing but graph by using graph how to find zeros. Let us take first one. Start with linear polynomial. What is the definition of linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is what? The expression contains highest power is 1. Let us take equation y is equal to 2x plus 3. This is the highest power is 1, so it is called linear polynomial. By drawing graph, you have to find the zeros. First you have to construct one table. How to construct table? We already studied in 9th standard. Again, one more time I will explain. Let us take x value. Here y is equal to 2x plus 3. Let us take 3 values. And x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2 into 0, 0 plus 3. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3. When x is equal to 1, substitute that x is equal to 1 in this equation. Y is equal to 2x to 1 plus 3. 2 plus 1, 2 into 1, 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? 5. When x is equal to, take minus 2, y is equal to what? 2 into minus 2 plus 3. Plus into minus minus, 2 to the 4 plus 3. So the answer is minus 1. So x is equal to minus 2 value, y is equal to minus 1. Let us take one more value. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to what? 2x plus 3. Nothing but 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3, 7. When x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, what is y value? Y value is 7. Let's draw the graph. This is origin. At origin, x and y value is what? 0. This is positive x axis. This is positive y axis. This is negative x axis. This is negative y axis. Here we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. From this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Set minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here you have to take scale that from for linear pair amplification lamp. Here x is 1 cm equal to 1 millimeter. Y 1 cm equal to 1 millimeter. When x is equal to 0, what is y value? When x is equal to 0, y value is here 3. When x is equal to 1, y value is 5. When x is equal to 1, y value is 5 here. When x is equal to minus 2, y value is minus 1 here. When x is equal to 2, y value is, when x is equal to y value is 7 here. Let us join this, at least 3 points to join. So this is the graph. So for linear polynomial, always is straight line. For linear polynomial, it's always straight line. Then linear polynomial always straight line. So from this we got one 0 point. This is nothing but we'll find. From that, this point is minus 3 comma 2 by comma 0. So what is dash 10 point? What you have to write? Dash 10 point. From this graph, what we conclude after drawing this graph, ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಲೈನು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. This is the support this. After this we will solve the quadratic equation. From this graph, what we concluded, this linear polynomial equation, linear polynomial at least have 10 point. At least have 10 point. Here that 10 point. That's what point? Yes, become 3/2 comma 0. Now we'll see the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. What's quadratic polynomial means? The highest power is what? Highest power is what? The highest degree. The degree of the polynomial is 2 means what? Quadratic polynomial. Let us take y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 8. 6x x square plus 6x plus 8. What is this? This is a quadratic polynomial. How can you tell this quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. So as power step is 2y. So it's a quadratic polynomial. Now this one you have to find how many 0 points have in this quadratic. For this quadratic formula we will find by graphical method. First we will create one table. Let us take here x, here y. Y means what? X square plus 6x plus 8. When x is equal to 0, what will happen? When x is equal to 0, 0 square 0, 6 into x, 6 into 0, 0, 8. When x is equal to 1, it will become big. When x is equal to 1, what will come? And x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to what? 1 square plus 6 into 1 plus 8. 1 plus 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So x is equal to 1 plus 15. Plus x is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 whole square plus 6 into, this one already learned in 9th standard only. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x = -1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು -1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ into minus here what is there 8 plus 8, 1 plus 9, 9 minus 6, 3. So x is equal to -1. What is this value? 3. Let us take x is equal to -2. X is equal to -2. What will come? Y is equal to -2 whole square plus 6 into -2 plus 8. 4 plus into minus 6 2 are 12 plus 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 minus 2, 0. So here only we find root. Draw this. in the graphical method. Let us take vertical axis. Let us take vertical axis. What we call vertical axis? What we call y-axis. Let us take horizontal axis. What we call x-axis. This is origin. At origin, x comma and y value is 0. This is positive x-axis. This is positive y-axis. This is negative x-axis. This is negative y-axis. Here highest value is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2015. X value 1, 2, 3. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now when x is equal to 0, what is y value? 8. 8 here. When x is equal to 0, y value is 8. When x is equal to 1, y value is 15. Here. When x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, y value is 3. Here. When x is equal to minus 2, y value is 0. Here. So if you draw most number of points, it will come this like. So this is a graph we got. See, number of 0 points here is what? Number of zeros we obtained here 1. Number of zeros we obtained here is 1. Quadratic polynomial ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಯು ಟೈಪ್ ಆರ್ ಡೌನ್ ಯು ಟೈಪ್. ಈ ತರನ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರನ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ತರ ಡೌನ್ ಯು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದು? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ. ಸೊ maximum 0 points, maximum 0 polynomials in quadratic polynomial is what? 2. Maximum is 2. Here what we got? We got 1. Here number of zeros we obtained here is 1. So maximum in quadratic polynomial, maximum 0 polynomial. In quadratic polynomial is 2. This 2. See here, this one, this like open U type or this close down U type, what we call this one? Parabola. Generally for quadratic polynomial, if you draw graph, we will obtain parabola only. For generally quadratic polynomial, how can we expect this graphs here? Always open, that's what parabola only. ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರನೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರನೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ p of x how many zero polynomial here how many zero polynomial ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ this line how many times it cuts x axis here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, so it is 2 zero polynomial. 2 zeros. Here 1 time. Here 1. Here see 0. 0 times. Here 1, 2. 2 times. 2 0 polynomials. 2 zeros. Here for this 0, for this also 0. It never cuts x-axis. Meaning ಏನಂದ್ರೆ x-axis ನ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಷ್ಟು zeros ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಾನೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೇಳೋದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಇದೇನೇ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ graph like this. Here, so how many zeros are there here? So cut here 1s, 2s, 3s. So the maximum zeros of the cubic polynomial is what? 3. For quadratic 2, for linear polynomial 1. This is about basics. After this you will solve some exercise question, then you will get idea how they will ask questions in exam point of view. Up to now what we discussed now, that is all basics. This like questions we can expect for board exam. Iltana ಓದಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನದು basics. ಈ ತರ questions expect ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So what is the question? The graph of y is equal to p of x are given below. For some polynomials p of x, find the number of zeros in each case. Number of zeros you have to find in each case. Just now only you solved. What is the condition for zeros? It should touch the x-axis. Here see, this is the graph. This is a line. Here it never touches. So here zeros are 0. Zeros is 0. Numbers are 0. Here zeros, how many times it cuts once? So zeros here is 1. Here see, how many times it cuts? 1, 2, 3. So zeros here 3. Here it cuts 2 times, 1 and 2. So your zeros here is 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So zeros here is 4. Here 1. See here it's, you have to consider only one point here. 1, 2, 3. So zeros here is 3. I hope you understood this concept. So this is a exam point of view, very important. You just focus on this concept. Nothing is there. Just what you have to focus here. This line. How many times it cuts x-axis? That zeros we have. So here never cuts. So 0 zeros. Here 1 time it cuts 0 1. Here 3 times cuts zeros 3. Here 2 times cuts zeros 2. Here 1 2 3 4. 4 times cut ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. So zeros in 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 3 times cut ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ zeros